Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I am sharing with you beautiful crochet cat bed, beautiful cave ideas for cat lovers. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern, different variety, different ideas. Fabulous crocheting work. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow color, different variety, bow tie style, beautiful crochet cat bed. Most demanding collection, different colors. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed, and you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet jewelry, beautiful amigurumi pattern, different free ideas, handbag, gloves, cat bed, dog sweater, fingerless gloves. Beautiful ideas, beautiful designing. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Like and share my video. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.